Every luxury sheep leather product begins here, with the humble sheep. The journey of sheep leather starts inside the shearing barn. Wool is removed first, revealing the raw sheep skin beneath. Only the finest sheep skin qualifies for luxury sheep leather. Every sheepskin batch must pass strict health clearance. Raw sheepskin is carefully separated for leather production. Salt preserves each raw sheepskin for the long journey ahead. Preserved sheepskins are stacked for transport to the leather factory.
Easy now, watch the edges. Okay, signal the forklift.
The raw sheepskin harvest is now ready to leave the farm. The Texel sheepskin journey to the factory begins now. Sealed and secured, the sheepskin cargo is ready to move. The raw Dorper sheepskin begins its journey to the leather factory. Highways carry the sheepskin toward its transformation. Every sheepskin shipment is measured and verified. The salted sheepskins are loaded for their long journey.
10, 11, 12, manifest clear.
The industrial heart of sheep leather production awaits. The sheep leather factory gate opens for the raw cargo. The raw sheepskin arrives at its destination. Unloading of the sheepskin cargo is about to begin.
All right, let's start with the first row of skins.
Careful, these are heavy. Make sure they're secure.
The raw sheepskins enter the factory for the first time. Decades of sheep leather craftsmanship live within these walls. Every sheepskin batch is logged before processing. Precision begins with weight, height. Every sheepskin counted. Every worker in the sheep leather factory prepares with care. Every worker in the sheep leather factory prepares with care. The raw sheepskin now enters its cleaning stage. This is where the transformation of sheepskin truly begins. Every sheepskin has a path, assigned and tracked.
The first sheepskins are ready for washing.
Water begins to revive each raw sheepskin. The rotating drum washes away dirt from every sheepskin. The fleshing machine perfects each sheepskin's underside.
Only grade A sheepskin advances to luxury sheep leather.
Chemistry begins to shape the sheepskin into leather. Wool falls away. Pure sheepskin emerges. Each sheepskin is now pale and clean, ready to become leather. Every sheepskin is checked against the light. Every sheepskin is trimmed with precision. The Suffolk sheepskin enters the tannery says, the soul of leather. The sheepskin enters the tanning drum, its true rebirth. Chemistry begins the transformation of sheepskin to leather. Hours of rotation lock the tanning into every sheepskin. 12 drums, thousands of sheepskins, becoming leather. The sheepskin is now wet blue promint. True sheep leather is born. Excess liquor drains. The sheep leather awaits pressing.
Pressure removes water to aid. The merino sheep leather firms up.
Every sheep leather is split to perfect thickness.
Every sheep leather now shares perfect uniform thickness.
The sheep leather now heads toward color and life. Color enters the world of sheep leather.
The sheep leather receives its signature color. Warm dye penetrates deep into every merino sheep leather fiber.
Oils bring softness. Sheep leather becomes supple. The sheep leather now glows with rich brown color. The sheep leather is stretched flat, ready for drying.
Every sheep leather is stretched taut before drying.
Warm air cures the sheep leather to perfection.
The sheep leather rests, moisture perfected.
The sheep leather moves to its final refinement. Every sheep leather is digitally mapped in perfect detail. Robotics handles every sheep leather with delicate care. Software plans each sheep leather cut with precision.
Lasers cut sheep leather with millimeter accuracy.
Sheep leather pieces sort themselves craning, ready for assembly.
The luxury mark burns into every sheep leather piece. AI vision guards every sheep leather from imperfection.
Automated skiving refines every sheep leather edge.
From here, every sheep leather is watched and guided.
The sheep leather flows onward, onwards, to precision finishing.
Master artisans give each sheep leather its final soul. Every sheep leather edge is painted by hand. Thread and sheep leather become one. The sheep leather glows with hand-polished luster. Hardware meets sheep leather. Luxury takes form.
Sheep leather takes its final luxurious form. Every sheep leather bag is lined with equal care. Wax seals the sheep leather's luxury forever. The sheep leather is finished. Luxury awaits inspection. Every sheep leather product now faces the final test. In this lab, every sheep leather product proves its worth.
Every sheep leather product is examined by trained eyes.
Every Icelandic sheep leather must prove its strength.
Sheep leather color must stay locked forever. The sheep leather defies water with ease. The sheep leather flexes without braining pound, worthy of luxury. Every sheep leather is proven safe for daily use.
The sheep leather grain proves its luxury grade. The sheep leather is officially approved for the world. The sheep leather is ready to meet its box. The signature sheep leather box awaits.
Every sheep leather rests in cotton before its box.
The sheep leather box is sealed with its unique code. The sheep leather cartons roll toward the warehouse. Every sheep leather pallet stacks with precision. The sheep leather warehouse holds thousands of luxury boxes. The finished sheep leather now heads to the world. The sheep leather cargo is ready for delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce sheep leather from start to finish.
From raw sheepskin to luxury sheep leather and pea, this is modern craftsmanship.